Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Who don't like biryani? Today I came up with a special Arabic biryani, the chicken majboos recipe in an easy and fast way. I'm adding an Indian touch and making it into Indo-Arabic fusion. This majboos is a special dish in Kuwait. Hope you will try and enjoy it. Do comment. Consider to subscribe for more new videos. Let's get started. Main ingredients are 1 medium onion chopped, 4 green chillies, 3 cinnamon sticks, 5 cardamom, 8 to 10 cloves, chicken stock, Madras curry powder, coriander leaves, garlic paste, medium tomato chopped, chicken cut to bigger pieces, 3 glasses of soaked basmati rice, 6 glasses of water. Take a non-stick pan and pour some oil. Add cloves, cinnamon, cardamom. Add chopped onions. Saute it. Then add a pinch of salt so that it cooks fast. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add garlic paste. Saute it. Add chillies. After that, add chopped tomatoes. Put the lid on and wait for 3 to 4 minutes until it is cooked. Keep sauteing in between. Add chicken stock, Madras curry powder, coriander leaves and saute it well until the oil oozes out. Now add chicken, salt, mix it well. Put the lid on. Keep mixing in between so that all the pieces are equally exposed to heat. When the chicken is 50% cooked, add 6 glasses of water to the chicken. Add sufficient amount of salt and stir it well. Taste the water and adjust the salt. Put the lid on. After the water comes to boiling, simmer it. Let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Now, remove the chicken pieces from water and add soaked basmati rice to this water. Mix it well. Put the lid on under high flame. Take 2 spoons of corn flour, add salt and 1 spoon chilli powder. Mix it with water and pour it to chicken pieces. Marinate the chicken for 5 minutes. Now check the rice. When it is 70% cooked, mix it well. Put it on a low flame. Take another pan, pour some oil. After the oil is heated, add the chicken pieces. My next video will be on another delicious Arabic biryani. Please subscribe and press bell icon for getting notified for more videos. Turn the pieces to the other side. Let the pieces fry. Now check the rice. When it is cooked 100%, turn off the flame. Add the fried chicken pieces on the top of the rice. Close the lid for a few minutes. Now take the hot, yummy chicken majboos into the plate. It goes well with dakos and filfil. I have done a video on preparation of dakos and filfil. The link of the video is given in the description below, or you can also see on the top right corner. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit bell icon to get notified for further videos.